Hello everyone, today I want to present you an amazing bread maker which fits in any kitchen from the Aumate. So basically this is a bread maker that can make not only bread but also cakes and jams, and as well it can fit in any type of the kitchen. What I like about this product is basically that offers 12 programs, 3 types of crust, and also it comes with all the accessories needed for an amazing bread. So in the pack we are having the bread maker, and inside we have the container for the bread, which can make 2 types of bread, basically 650 grams bread and 800 grams. Here we have the ingredient container that you can add the ingredients later on in the bread, such as seeds or dry fruits. And also here we have the mixing tool for the bread itself, which is inside the container. Here we have the hook to remove the bread when it's ready, the measuring spoons and the measuring cup. Also the product comes with the 12 months warranty, and also it comes with a very extensive instruction manual. Make sure to check it before using it because it has a lot of useful tips. Now I'll show you what we have inside and also how to make the bread quite easy. So let's get started. So basically, to assemble the bread maker, you just need to take the bread container and fit it inside right here. And as soon as it goes in, you just need to turn it in its position. And after that, just take the bread mixing tool and just place it right inside here. So the bread maker, it's ready to go. So in order to install the ingredient compartment, you just take this device right here, install it, push here and press it. So it's done. So here inside you can put fruits or seeds for the bread or any additions for your bread. So here we have all the ingredients. Basically, I'm going to follow the ingredients from the instruction manual. I'm going to do today French bread. So basically what I have to do now, I need 280 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt, sugar, flour, and yeast. So I have all the measurements here. I'm going to use the measuring cups and spoons that are coming in the set, and I'm going to place them inside the bread maker. So from the menu now, we are choosing the bread that we want, so which is 2, which is French bread, and also we are choosing the color that we would like, which is I would like medium. Yes, so it's in this, and 650 grams the ingredients I've put for the bread, and now I'm just pressing start. And you can hear that the bread maker started to make the bread, and I'm just leaving the bread maker, and let's see the final result. As soon as the program finished, what we can do, we can remove the bread. Just be very careful because it's very hot. So just remove the lid from here, and using a cloth or the hook that it comes with, just remove it like this on a chopping board, to make sure that you are protecting your table. So here I'm going to show you what we have inside. So this is a 650 grams bread, very nicely made. And to remove it from inside, just make sure not to burn your hands because it's very, very hot. Just place it like this, and the bread comes out extremely easily. And basically we have a very nice homemade bread in this bread machine, and we have a very fluffy, very fresh and fragrant homemade bread. Just look at this. So here inside we have the mark, you know, from the hook. That's not a problem. And look at this nice crust inside, homemade bread that you can use it with sandwiches, you can use it with bread and some jam or honey, you can use for many other dishes. So this is the end result. I'm extremely happy with it. I do highly recommend it.